Meaning of duel.
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 Duel. A duel is a pre-arranged fight between two individuals, typically performed with weapons, to settle a dispute. The result of a duel can vary greatly depending on the circumstances and participants involved. In some cases, both individuals may emerge unscathed or with minor injuries, while in other cases one or both individuals may be seriously injured or killed. Due to the violent and often deadly nature of duels, they have been outlawed in many countries and are generally considered an archaic and unnecessary practice.